candle response. It's huge, isn't it? Huge buy candle response. A pretty successful auction based on the sellers coming in here. And, looking like VWAP is very much in play here, which would have allowed you, if you were trading at 5 o'clock, to go back in again at 5 o'clock in a very, very successful auction. Probably initially a little bit disappointed, but it certainly picked up a fair pace at that stage, running along the 2 standard on the break higher here. And just a great VWAP narrative today. It's been a solid story that Melvin's taken full advantage of. And, and whilst on that occasion, this was the last buy trade here that did work, the sell also worked, but just a disappointing response from it, wasn't it? It wasn't a bad response, but it was disappointing. The break away from it, it would have been nice to have swept the bottom edge. It did sweep this guy here. Sellers have came back in, and again, it's slightly disappointing in terms of the sell response, but it's the right trade to be on in terms of momentum. So even if the response is poor, buying above VWAP here is the right trade to be on. Selling below VWAP here is the right trade to be on in terms of trading against the weak traders. And that way, if you keep trading against the weak traders, life becomes that little bit easier for you as a trader, isn't it? So sell side here is the right trade if you're a momentum-based trader, taking advantage of the weak areas. You've got to make sure you do sweep the last buyer. So this seller here, the Melvin seller came in here, they did sweep the last buyer. The seller that's coming in here, they need to try and sweep this buyer here, or this game's over. The next trade will be above VWAP.